This is the video for 7th grade math, week 4, day 3. We have 3 problems today. Let's take a look at the first one. Which one doesn't belong? Choose a number in this picture that you don't think belongs with the rest. Explain why. Can you pick another number and give a different reason? So, for example, if I decided that this 3 doesn't belong, my reason would be it is 1 digit because the rest are all more than 1 digit. So now my challenge to you is pick a different one, or you can pick 3 as well, but you have to use a different explanation. See if you can find a reason that each one of these shouldn't belong. Let's look at the next one. A traversable means able to travel. A traversable graph is one that you can draw without taking your pen off the paper and without going over any edge twice. For each graph below, decide whether or not it is traversable. It might be helpful to keep track of where you started, the route you took, and where you finished. So for each one of these, you're testing, can I start in one spot and trace it all the way without taking my pen off the paper and without going over any edge twice? So let's watch me do this one more time. If I start in one point, can I start there, go over every point and every line without hitting any line twice? That one I was able to do. Now, I might not get it on my very first round, but I might try different combinations. So your task is to go through for all 5 of these to see, are they traversable or are they not, based off of our definition up here. And the last one for today is looking at our math problems and matching them up to real life scenarios. It says, match each equation to a story. 2 of the stories match the same equation. So what you'll do is you'll read each one of these, A, B, C, D, and E, and match them to a math problem up here. So let's do letter A together. Jada's teacher fills a travel bag with 5 copies of a textbook. So just like always, I'm marking up the math relevant information. The weight of the bag and the books is 17 pounds. The empty travel bag weighs 3 pounds. How much does each book weigh? Okay, so I'm going to use the information I have. I know that altogether it was 17 pounds. And that was the 3 pounds from the empty travel bag plus the 5 books that each weigh an unknown amount. So for my unknown amount, that's where I'm going to use my variable. So I've come up with 17 pounds is equal to 3 pounds plus 5 books times the unknown amount of weight. So now I'm going to come back up here and decide, does that match any of these? When I look at number 4, I see that the numbers are in different order, but it's still the same equation. Because we know when we're using addition that you can do it in any order, and we know with our equal sign, as long as the sides match, they can be in any order. So, number 4 matches with scenario A. Go ahead now, read the rest of them and match it up to their matching equation.